This conifer breaks all the rules. It drops every needle each autumn. Meet the European larch, Larix decidua, a fast-growing pioneer of the Alps and Carpathians, and one of the very few conifers on Earth that is fully deciduous. This tree can reach 25 to 45 meters tall and live for over 500 years. In the Ultental Valley of South Tyrol, some specimens are estimated to be over 2,000 years old, making them among the oldest conifers in Europe. In spring, the female cones flush vivid pink-red, so striking that Alpine communities call them larch roses. And here's something remarkable. Venice was largely built on foundations of larch pilings, driven into lagoon mud, where the wood's natural rot resistance preserved them for centuries. European larch demands full sun, so give it an open site with no overhead shade. It prefers well-drained, acidic to neutral soils, and won't tolerate waterlogging. Plant during dormancy, from late autumn to early spring, and if you're growing timber, plan for thinning early to prevent overcrowding. Do plant it for erosion control on exposed slopes and in mixed forests, where its deciduous habit lets winter light reach the understory. Don't plant it in shade, on heavy wet clay, or in warm, humid climates where it suffers heat stress and fungal disease. And don't panic when the needles fall. It's supposed to do that. From the highest ridges of the Alps to the foundations of Venice, the European larch has quietly shaped landscapes and civilizations for millennia. A conifer that lets go of everything each autumn and comes back stronger every spring. Restore, protect, inspire.